Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1957 two-door wagon. It's a great driver. Amazing drivetrain in this car. Just hop in it and rip around town. Got the owner here, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Cool. So tell us a little bit about it.
We have a 57
Wagon
with a 400 small block, aluminum head Edelbrock kit, Camaro rear end, Posi, 373s, turbo 350 transmission.
A little bit of a stall, right?
Very good underneath. No rust in the frame. Everything works. Turnkey driver. Interior is all there.
A little bit of a project, right?
Yeah.
But we're not asking $1 million.
Nope. Front disc brakes.
Something to hop in and enjoy.
No power steering, no power brakes, but they are disc.
Oh, good.
Car is mechanically perfect. You see the body.
A little patina.
Little patina, not horrible.
Nice big aluminum radiator, electric fan with a shroud.
MSD ignition.
Edelbrock, Victor Jr. Aluminum heads.
Dual master, get the line lock in it.
Oh, a line lock, I see that. New shocks, it looks like.
Actually, it's a new steering box in there also.
Oh, cool.
Steering box, bushing, shocks.
Bushings, okay.
Mechanically,
not
really
down the
perfect.
road,
It's
right?
more,
Nice.
more cosmetic.
Edelbrock high-rise manifold, looks like a performer.
Brand new carburetor.
Double pumper, was that a 750?
Yeah, 750 double.
Holly. The electric choke. MSD box, you get a 6AL.
It's got brand new gas tank, brand new fuel lines.
MSD
brake
wires.
lines are all good.
Brake lines are good. Looks like a brand new battery.
Got crazy horns in it. An Aruba horn.
Cool. Tranny cooler up front.
Yep.
Cool.
Wipers, electric wipers.
Okay.
Fully operational vehicle. You want to open the back?
Yeah, let's check it out. How's she run? Cool?
Car runs cool as a cucumber, and it's pretty peppy.
Yeah, it is.
Got the fold down back seats.
Cool.
Aftermarket front seats.
You fire it up for us?
Just a second.
Yeah, let's hear this beast. Punchy. Man, she's a whip, huh?
Yep, motor's relatively fresh.
How many miles on the build do you think?
I'm not 100% sure on that.
Okay.
But it's pretty fresh.
Great. Cool. You don't see many of these around.
No.
Looks like they did a little body work back there with a flare. And kind of brought that wheel well out a little bit.
I'm probably going to paint these black. Make it look like more of a tint.
Oh, cool. Yeah, that would look nice.
Floorboards are strong. Speedometer gauges work. Gas gauge work. Speedometer. Of course, the mechanical gauges.
Stereo work?
Yes.
Cool. Little odometer tack down there with a shift light. Looks like a B&M shifter with reverse lockout and line lock.
These seats, yep, got a line lock in it. Seats flip up.
Cool. Seats look real comfortable. They look like they're out of a conversion van or something.
See, we got black lights in the back.
I see that.
And they work.
That's cool. Well, definitely a cool car. It's not going to break the bank.
Nope.
Just leave it the way it is and rip around town. You might know your neighbors though.
And if anyone's interested, I have someone that has good fenders and decent doors for about $1,000.
Oh wow! So all four?
Two doors, two nice fenders. Okay. Someone who wants to buy the car is interested in that end of it. But these are workable for sure.
Yeah, that works for now. For
sure. That is available for an extra $1,000 if they're available at the time of the sale.
Okay, cool. We appreciate that. Well, thanks again for joining us today, guys. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. That's 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our website. That's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.